This is Chef Brad, America's Grain Guy with the WonderMix Company, and I'm going to show you now how to make the perfect cranberry butter to go with those amazing biscuits and rolls that you've made for the holiday season. I love to just spice it up a little bit. Just butter is great, but if you could add something to it, and I even love to make this and put in little tubs and give it away with a loaf of bread for the holiday season. Cranberry butter is great. So all you need is butter and cranberries. So we're going to do about a pound of butter and coconut oil combination with about a cup of cranberries. So here's the coconut oil, and I love coconut oil. It gives this just a rich flavor when you put it on there. And I'm using a really good, the Better Body coconut oil. It has a wonderful flavor and it's so good for you. And it's kind of making the butter a little more healthy. So the first thing you want to do is you want to whip the butter and the coconut oil together before you add the cranberries. So we're going to turn this on high and whip it. Then once it's whipped together to where it's just nice and smooth, then we're going to add the cranberries and whip it. Then we have the perfect cranberry butter. This literally will last for months in your refrigerator. It smells great already. When you see it's nice and whipped together, then you want to put in about a cup of fresh made cranberries. And we have a recipe there. There's a link for a recipe for you, how to make the perfect cranberry sauce. Mine has a little bit of vanilla bean in it and orange extract. We're going to dump this in there. And it's so pretty. That's what I like about it. We're just going to whip that up. That's all there is to it. Cranberry butter in a moment in your WonderMix mixer. Look how pretty that is. And we're just going to scoop this out. A nice bowl. Nice and holiday-ish looking, don't you think? Beautiful. I love cranberry butter. But you know what I love even more than cranberry butter? A nice baked roll just slathered in cranberry butter. Oh my goodness, doesn't that look great? Now this is holiday heaven. Oh, it doesn't get any better than this for the holidays.